Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ahna Akmal binti Badrul Hisham. So today I would like to share about how to create a table and a column graph using Google Sheets. So I have given a data about the names of students and their marks from their 3 physics quizzes. So I need to create a new table that consists of this data, and then I need to add a few more new data. So the question asks me to find the total marks from the quizzes for each student, find the average mark for each student in the class, find the max and min marks from students' average marks, find the mode from the marks from student average marks, and lastly create a column chart for each student based on their average marks. First of all you need to do is open your Google Chrome, and then you can click on Google Apps, click on Sheets. Since you want to start a new thing, you can click on blank. You can name your spreadsheet on any names that you want. So I will name my new spreadsheet as data of students and their physics mark. Okay, so next, as we want to create a new table, right? We can start at any point that we want. Okay, so A to N, we call this as row. And from 1 to 25, we call this as column. We will name each cell based on their row first and then their column. So for example, this cell will be named as cell A1. So you can fill in the data manually, or you can just copy the data that has been given to you. So I'll copy the data and then I'll paste it here. You can double click or right click your mouse, and then you can insert one row above. So there will be one more row added above the title, and then if you want to do it again to the left side, we can insert one column left. Okay, so I will add one more row above and one more column left. The first question, we need to find the total marks from the quizzes for each student. You can click on the total column, total cell, cell G4. You can click on function symbol here. So we will click on sum, and then there will be auto calculate for us. We just need to highlight the cell that we want to sum up, and then we need to press enter key. There will be the sum, right? So you can autofill the number below the other total by just clicking these marks, or you can click CTRL, enter. The total marks will be autofilled. For the average one, you need to click on cell H4, to calculate the average. We will use these functions, and then we will click average. So we need to do the highlight the marks again from quiz 1 until quiz 3, and then we press enter. We can click the right or click CTRL, enter. So if we see here, the decimal places is not uniform, right? So we can highlight the column that we want to uniform. We need to click format, click number, and then click number again. So the decimal places will be uniform. In this case, there will be 2 decimal places. We will copy again the max, min, and mode, and then we will paste here. So to calculate the max, we need to click the cell C10, the cell we want the max value in, and then we will click function, click max. So from the question, we are asked to find the max from the average of each marks. So we highlight the average column, and then there will be automatic calculation on cell C10, and then we can press enter. So the max will be 8 for min. It's just the same as max. We click the cell we want, cell 11, cell C11, and then click function, click min. So min from the average is, click enter, will be 6. And then for mode, mode is frequency. Click the cell we want the mode in, cell C12, click the function. There are no mode here, so we need to click on all and find mode, and click mode, and then highlight from the average column, and then press enter. So we will get the answer. And then to uniform this number into 2 decimal places, we need to click on format, and then click number, and then click number again. So the decimal places will be 2. To create a box here, we need to highlight all the cell we want the box in, from C10 until H10, and then click the borders, click all borders, and click on merge cells. So it will be here. If you want the value to be at the center, we need to click center align. Just do the same as min and mode. If you want to centerize all the value from the start, you can just highlight the box and then click horizontal align. You can choose either left, center, or right. So we are done with our new table, and then we need to create a column chart for each student based on their average marks. So to create a column chart, we need to click insert, click chart. A blank space will appear. On the setup page, click chart type. I will choose column chart, and then make sure the stacking is 9. To enter data range, we need to click on select data range because we want the name and the average marks. So I will select data range from C3 colon the end of the data range that you want, H9, and then click OK. To adjust this, we need to find series. Since we just want the average, we can remove total, remove quiz 3, remove quiz 2, and remove quiz 1. So here are our column chart. Make sure the x-axis is name. For series 1, it will automatically added. For series 1, we want the average, so here it is. And click customize. There is no title, right? So we will add the title, chart and axis title. Click on chart and axis title. So type on the title that you want. So for me, average marks for students in physics quizzes. Okay, so the title will appear here, the upper one. So you can change the title font, and then you can change the title font size, title format, and title text color. And then the alignment, we can choose either left, center, or right. And then you can make the title format italic or bold. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something new from this. And I hope you understand what I teach you